Woody stem. Plants have woody stem and the covering of the trunk is called bark. Smaller plants with woody stem is called shrub. Roses and pine trees are the examples of woody stem. Non-woody stems, and the examples of non-woody stems are sunflower. Some plants such as creeper and climber have weak stems. They climb, creep or twine around for sport. Most stems grow up on the ground, for example potato, ginger and water chestnut, and they are known as stems which grows up on the ground. Now let's see the written work. Question number 1. Write down the function of a stem of a plant. Question number 2. Write down the names and type of the different type of stem. Question number 3. What kind of stems does plant have? Question number 4. Do plants have weak stem only? Question number 5. Where do the stems grow? Upward or downward the ground? I hope you enjoy the lesson. Thank you so much for watching.